Add this assignment to your Canvas course for students to submit their COVID-19 acknowledgement form. Go to ctl.mesacc.edu and select Continuity of Instruction from the Teaching drop-down menu. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the link MCC CTL Canvas Course Templates. Select the IMSCC file with acknowledgement in the file name. Download the file to your computer. Go to learn.maricopa.edu and enter your MEID and password to log into Canvas. Select the course section that you are teaching. Click on Settings in the navigation menu. Click on the Import Course Content button on the right side of the screen. Use the drop-down menu and select Canvas Course Export Package. Click on the Choose File button and locate the IMSCC file on your desktop. Click on the Select Specific Content button. Click on the blue Import button. When prompted, click on the Select Content button. Select the Assignments Expand icon and check the COVID-19 Return to Campus Acknowledgement assignment. Click on the Select Content button. When the import is complete, the assignment will be available in your course. Instructors may adjust the assignment settings as needed in Canvas. The assignment is set up as complete incomplete with 0 points, and it is not calculated towards the final grade.